After over 50 years of darkness, the mainland link to Mason County's Harstine Island has regained its ethereal illumination. On June 22, 1969, the county dedicated the Harstine Island Bridge, replacing the historic ferry service that moved people and goods across Pickering Passage. Shortly after the bridge opened to traffic, vandalism and copper theft took their toll on the lights. Rather than face a continuous battle against these enemies, the empty light fixtures were left to their own devices. As the Harstine Island Bridge lights faded into history, nighttime travelers discovered the extra thrill of negotiating the span in pitch darkness. Not only that, but the bridge approaches also were not lit. That meant many missed turns by visitors trying to find the crossing. For those leaving the island at night, this could lead to backtracking or even an extra lap around the island. On the golden anniversary of the bridge's dedication, Mason PUD3 proposed to the Mason County Commission that the light fixtures be updated to LED technology and designed to enhance, illuminate, and add safety for Harstine Island residents and visitors. The Commission agreed, and PUD3 built the Harstine Bridge lighting system. The county pays for the cost of the lighting on a low daily rate, just like any customer who has streetlights or area lights installed by the PUD. PUD3 engineering and operation teams did all the work installing the new fixtures and electrical system for the lights. Keeping the work local saved money and gave our linemen the knowledge of the design and maintenance criteria for the lights on the bridge. Mason County is well known for its hundreds of miles of saltwater shorelines. PUD3 used its expertise with electricity and lighting to choose lamps that are especially designed for use in coastal areas. Some important features make the new lights safe, secure, kind to stargazers, and wildlife-friendly. The light fixtures have a unique lens designed to cast light onto the roadway and reduce glare. The design is good for safety. Stray beams of light don't cause distractions. Stargazers should be pleased that the lamps are dark sky friendly, which means the night sky should be easy to observe, especially when compared to older lights that compete with Mother Nature's starry show. Because the Harstine Bridge lights are a cool white, like the color of moonlight, they should have minimal impact on birds or other wildlife that can be disoriented by the glare of older streetlights. Mason PUD3 has received many compliments from customers about the increased security in the area and safety on the roadway. The soft glow of the lights enhanced the beautiful architecture of the historic Harstine Island Bridge, spanning Pickering Passage, for all who are called to the calming waters of Mason County shorelines.